Climate change is a long-term change in the average weather patterns that have come to define Earth's local, regional, and global climates. It is primarily caused by the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, primarily from human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. The effects of climate change are far-reaching and include rising temperatures, changing precipitation patterns, rising sea levels, and more frequent and intense extreme weather events such as hurricanes, floods, and droughts. Climate change is a global issue, and it requires global cooperation to mitigate its effects. Many countries are taking action to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions and transition to cleaner energy sources, and international agreements such as the Paris Agreement aim to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Weather change refers to short-term variations in the atmospheric conditions that occur over a short period of time, ranging from a few minutes to a few weeks. Weather can change rapidly and is affected by a variety of factors, including air pressure, temperature, humidity, wind, and precipitation. Weather change can have significant impacts on our daily lives, such as affecting transportation, outdoor activities, and crop yields. It can also pose a danger to human health, as extreme weather events such as heat waves, floods, and hurricanes can cause injury and death. While weather change is a natural occurrence, it is also influenced by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, which release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere and contribute to climate change. Climate change can result in long-term changes to weather patterns, such as rising temperatures, changing precipitation patterns, and more frequent and intense extreme weather events. Climate warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature, primarily caused by human activities that release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes are the main contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. As greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide accumulate in the atmosphere, they trap heat from the sun, leading to a gradual rise in temperatures. This warming trend has serious consequences for ecosystems, human health, and economies around the world. The effects of climate warming include rising sea levels, melting glaciers and sea ice, more frequent and severe heat waves, changes in precipitation patterns, and more intense storms. These changes can cause devastating impacts, such as flooding, droughts, crop failures, and displacement of communities. Mitigating the effects of climate warming requires global action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions to cleaner energy sources. Weather and pollution are closely linked, as weather conditions can have a significant impact on the distribution and concentration of pollutants in the air, water, and soil. For example, temperature inversions, which occur when a layer of warm air traps a layer of cooler air near the ground, can trap pollutants such as ozone and fine particulate matter close to the surface, leading to poor air quality. Similarly, stagnant air conditions, such as during high-pressure systems, can also trap pollutants in a localized area, exacerbating their effects on human health. In addition, weather patterns such as wind and precipitation can affect the transport and distribution of pollutants. For example, high winds can disperse pollutants over a wider area, while heavy precipitation can cause runoff of pollutants into waterways, leading to water pollution. Pollution can also have an impact on weather patterns and climate change. For example, air pollutants such as black carbon and methane,